So, good morning, class 7 children. Today we are going to start chapter number 15 as we had completed each and every part of chapter number 14, even the NCRT workbook. So, the aim is written on the board, children. You may see the chapter is light. And in this chapter, we are going to study about different mirrors, different lenses, and moreover, the properties of light. That light travels in a straight line, and even the concept of reflection, that how light bounces back and we are able to see our picture in the mirror, how that can be possible. We are going to study all these things in this chapter. So before moving further, let's have a look on the key terms or the misunderstood words of this chapter so that we can understand the concept. Next comes the concave lens. First word is concave lens. So kindly raise your hand.
May I tell one?
Yes, Vansh. Vansh Sharma, and
Okay,
next will be Vansh Jain.
Okay, ma'am. Concave lens. Concave lens is always form erect and virtual and smaller image than the object. It is called the concave lens.
But you need to tell the page number.
Ma'am, page number 188. Important. What you have
188.
learned.
Bolo. Wait for a
Page
second.
number.
Let me ask to Ayan also. He is offline. Tell me, Ayan. Page number 180. Children, 183 page number is kindly see to it. Page number 183. One more definition is there of concave lens. The ones you have just told the definition, you are telling about the images formed by the lens, concave lens. Did you find everyone? How concave lens is feel? When we touch the concave lens, how it does feel? Did you find everyone or not? Where it is, Ayan? कहीं से दिखा दो, कहीं से. Page 183. Page 183 where the diagram is made. Kindly see to it. Did you find?
ये मैथ्स की लिंक आ रही है जिस पे लिख
Did you find everyone where the diagram has been drawn of concave lens and convex lens? There it is written. Okay. Now the second word is concave mirror. Concave mirror. बैठो बेटा. Yes, Vansh Jain.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the meaning of concave mirror?
A concave mirror can form a real and inverted image. When the object is placed very close to the mirror, the image is formed virtual, erect, and magnified.
So you have, he has given from the what you have learned. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th
Yes.
point. This is the mirror.
Yes, ma'am.
But this is the image formed by the concave mirror. Yes, but you can tell me about the shape. Can I have the page number? Page number 179.
188.
Children, see to it. No, see on 179 page number, where the diagrams of both concave mirror and convex mirror is there. Where the diagram of both convex and concave mirror is there. There you may write down for the concave mirror as well as for convex mirror. Both definitions are there. Have you find it out? मिल गया सबको? Concave mirror, convex mirror? Yes, page number 179. In the same way, page number 188, concave lens and convex lens. Both definitions are there together. I hope each one of you have find it out. Kindly tell yes or no. Tell children. Did you find the meanings?
No, ma'am.
Even the page number I had given, beta, you had entered late. 179 and 188. Next word is erect image. Erect word means, who will tell me the meaning of erect? Erect means upright. Erect word means upright. Write down. Erect means upright. Next word, magnified image. Give me the meaning of magnified image. Yes. Is it written somewhere? Magnifying glass, everybody has seen. Magnifying glass and magnified image. Magnifying glass में आप लिख सकते हैं, this is a transparent glass which gives the bigger image, enlarged image. Yes, Mukuljan has written in the chat box. Yes. A magnified image is an image which is enlarged by mirror or a lens. Simply you may write down enlarged image. Or for magnifying glass, what you can write down? A transparent glass which helps to find out or to magnify the image. Magnifying का मतलब है बेटा enlarge. Enlarge means bigger in size. Okay. Should we move further? Next is prism. Utkarsh, sit properly. Yes, Anya Jain. What do you mean by prism?
It is a transparent glass pyramid bounded by four triangular surfaces that separates white light into the spectrum of colors.
Okay, page number?
Ma'am, page number 185.
186. 186 is also there. You may write down. In some of the books, I think it's 186 or 185. Both the definitions of this definition of prism. Mark it, children. Should we move further? Next definition is of rainbow. Can I have the answer from your side? Kindly raise your hand. Rainbow. Mukul, you need to speak better. Don't write down in the chat box. Yes, Lavish.
Yes, ma'am. The rainbow is seen as a large arc in the sky with many colors.
Yes, rainbow is a large arc in the sky with different colors or with many colors. So kindly mark the rainbow. Next is, yes, Mahi Gupta. Real image.
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes,
Ma'am,
tell.
real image means an image formed on the screen is called real image.
Okay. Beta, tell the page number so that everybody can find out. Real image is the image which is formed on the
Ma'am, page number 180.
page number 180. Ayan, it is on page number 180. 180 for real image. No, beta. The image which can be formed on screen is known as real image. And even one more, 188. And even one more type of image is there, which is known as a virtual image. Last Yes, the image which can be obtained on a screen is known as a real image. And one more type of image is there, the image which can't be obtained on a screen, that is known as a virtual image. Okay. So these two types of images are there, real images and virtual image. Both you can mark down, children. The image which can be formed on a screen is known as a real, and the image which can't be formed on a screen is known as a virtual image. Okay, one more word is there, rear view mirror. Kindly raise your hands, those who know the answer. Rear view mirror. Yes, Anya or Mahi among you, if anybody knows, or anybody else who wants to give. Rear view mirror means page number. Children, you may write down for rear view mirror, to cover the large area. To cover large area. To cover large area. ठीक है? Side mirror. Side mirror. You must have seen the mirrors which are on the side of the vehicle, that are known as side mirror. Spherical mirror, the mirrors which are the part of the sphere. Simply you may write down. The mirrors which are the part of the sphere, that are known as spherical mirrors. And last word is virtual image, that we have done already. So children, these are the key terms or misunderstood words of this chapter. Kindly see to it. If any of the word is not clear, you may ask.